name is Aarti. I study class UKGB. Today we are gathered here to conduct today's assembly. That is medical nutrition. I like to call Garima for third. Good morning everyone. My name is Garima Kure. I study in class LKGB. My thought of the day, life is short, spend it happy. Thank you. Now I like to call my friend Annette. Good morning everyone. My name is Anasama. I am pineapple. Pineapple is a summer fruit. Good morning everyone. My name is Ara Singh. UKGB. I am a mango, yellow color. I am pink and fruit and juicy. I am vitamins. I am lesser fruit in India. Thank you. My name is Aitarana. I am tomato. Thank you. Good morning all of you. My name is Virajman. I study in class UKGA. I am an orange. I am orange in color. I am round in shape. I am juicy and healthy. I am full of energy, vitamin C. I am must full of fruit in my country. Thank you. Good morning everyone. My name is Smriti Pratap Patel. I study in class KGB. I am caring. Thank you. Good morning everyone. I am a grapes. Sweet and sour grapes. Small and round grapes. Purple and green grapes. Yummy and juicy grapes. Grapes. Eat me fresh grapes. Grapes. Thank you. Good morning all of you. My name is Masma Khatun. My class name is UKGA. I am a banana. I am a yellow in color. I am very sweet. I am very healthy. Thank you.
Good morning, all of you. My name is Chandeswar. I study in class LKG. I am a mango. My color is yellow. My lip color is green. I am very tasty and juicy. I come to summer season. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
टमाटर